So what are y'all working on?
Burning and staining for a false beam.
So this is going to be a false beam. We got one of our clients that's building this custom home. Look at there. We'll see how it turns out. All right, we're here with Papa, and we are doing some beams for a custom home that we're building. Papa burned them, so what'd you do?
I used a torch to burn them. As you can see right here, that's a bad piece of wood, but burned them here. Then scraped them down and put a special walnut stain on them to get it that dark where it matches the tongue and groove ceiling in the people's house that we did. And just wiped them down, waiting for them to dry, where we can go get them all installed.
And what type of wood is this?
It is white pine, because each wood, except the stain, this is also special walnut, but they wanted to offset it with a darker color, so that's why I wound up burning it and staining it with the same stain. But this
is the same, that's the exact same stain?
This is yellow pine.
Okay.
The tongue and groove is yellow pine, and it takes the stain a little different than white pine.
Okay.
So then they want to go with the white pine for the false beam. That way it stands out against the ceiling.
Okay, so the tongue and groove
is yellow pine.
Yellow pine. And the color of the stain is what?
Special Walnut 224.
Special Walnut 224. But this is the exact same.
Stain.
The difference is that's tongue and groove yellow pine. That's what the stain looks like on that. This is a white pine, correct?
Burnt and Special Walnut 224 after it was scraped down. And
okay. So we burned it, scraped it down, and then stained it.
Yep.
So the exact same stain colors. All right, so now we'll see what it looks like installed.
This is the tongue and groove with the same stain on it. And you can see that center beam there is where we're gonna put the faux beam. So we'll take a look and see what it looks like when it's done.